Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Manaswini and today we are gonna do this really nice and pink Valentine's Day date night look. All the products that I've used in this video are from Swiss Beauty. Now without wasting any more time, let's just get into the video. Now some of these products I'm trying for the first time and so many of them I have already used and really like. I will start off with my eyes today. I'm first gonna take some loose powder. It is the Swiss Beauty loose finishing powder in the shade Banana. It comes with a powder puff and also with a mirror here. Now for eyeshadow, I have the 24/7 Passport eyeshadow palette. It's such a pretty palette and look at these beautiful colors. I love all the pinks in this palette. It also has a really bright yellow. But obviously we're not going to use that today. We're going to stick to the pinks. Apart from this, I also have Swiss Beauty's Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette and look at these shades. I have used this before. They're super pigmented and very creamy and comfortable on the eyes. I'm going to start off with this shade right here. It's a very nice neutral color and blend it at the ends of my lid. Now I'll take this really bright pink right here. Oh my god, it's so pigmented, and put it on my lid. Now I'm gonna take the same hot pink and just put it on my lower lash line. I know it looks scary right now, but it will make sense eventually. This one right here. I'm gonna put some highlighter in my inner corners now. I'm gonna finish off the rest of the eye makeup later, and now let's move on with our base. I'm gonna be using their airbrush finish foundation. It's a high coverage foundation that I've used before. I have it in the shade 03 Nude Beige and also the shade 01 Shell White. I mix both of these together to get my perfect shade. Now this foundation is high coverage, but it feels very comfortable on the skin. It does not feel very heavy and it is also very hydrating. That's because it has hyaluronic acid. I like to use my fingers to blend it out. I think that gives the best finish with this one. It does not look cakey at all. I'm gonna zoom you in. It's literally in my skin right now. It feels so good and my skin feels plump. It does not dry my skin out and that is what I love about it. My skin still feels so plump. I love it. I'll now set my under eyes using the same loose powder that I used to prep my skin. I'm using the sponge that it comes with and it's a really good one, by the way. It's really soft. I'm also setting the area around my nose because that tends to get a little oily these days. I'll quickly just touch this up a little. Now moving on to blush, I have two very interesting products with me. The first one is the Cheek It Up blush. It's a very nice cream blush. I have already used it and I really enjoy using it because I'm all about that dewy makeup. But today, because I know that my skin is breaking out and creamy products and dewy products are only gonna highlight the texture more, I'm gonna go in with a matte look, and the blush that I have with me is this. It's the Swiss Beauty Baked Blush and Highlighter. And just look at the shades. I'm gonna show you how beautiful the shades are. This palette is so pink. It's screaming Valentine's Day. I'm gonna take the foundation blender brush to use this highlighter. Also, I forgot to tell you that all the brushes that I've used today are from Swiss Beauty. They basically sent me this huge box. It's such a pretty box and this is my second one, by the way. They have 8 brushes in this one and they are all really nice. Okay, it is pretty subtle and I like it. I will obviously take a little bit and put it on my nose. I love it. I'll just curl my lashes and put some mascara on. I think I will add some black to the eye and I'm not too sure about it. So we're gonna start with a very light smudged liner. And for that, I'm gonna be using the Swiss Beauty Color Me Happy eyeliner. It's a long wear, smudge proof, waterproof eyeliner. And I'm gonna be taking it on the tip of this angular flat brush, just a little bit, and I'll just make a little wing. It's really subtle. I hope you can see it. Now I'm gonna start with the lips. So I have 3 options for lip gloss. I have their Plump Up Wet Gloss in 3 shades. The first one is Caramel Crush, the second one is Kinda Naked, and the third one is called Popsicle. Which one looks better? I think this one. This is Kinda Naked. I think I'm gonna go with Caramel Crush and see how it looks. It's nice. It's going with it, but I think we need some lip liner. Honestly, if we're experimenting, I'm just gonna go in with some eyeshadow and use it like lip liner. Let's see how that works. I'm gonna take this really dark shade here. I'm done lining my lips. I think I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty blush now, just to give a little bit of tint to my lips. Okay, this is very pink. I honestly like it matte only. I like the entire monochromatic look. I'm gonna put some gloss. This looks good. Now I like it. I love how this look has turned out. Especially the base. I wasn't expecting it to look so good given the breakout, but I think it looks pretty good. Do let me know if you liked it without the gloss or with the gloss. I think I like it with the gloss. I don't know. I think I just love glosses in general. And that is the final look, really subtle with a pop of pink. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching me doing my makeup using these beautiful products. If you want to check out Swiss Beauty's products, you can check out the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.